112.4.
A man in Australia has broken the world record for the loudest burp, having managed to belch a sound that's even louder than an electric drill. Neville Sharp from Darwin, Northern Territory broke a record that stood for more than a decade, admitting he had wanted to seize the crown from the British record holder. His burp registered at 112.4 decibels on 29 July 2021, later telling Guinness World Records that he was more than excited that he'd finally broken the record.
112.4.
Where we go, safe.